Welcome to Learn to Sew with Sherry. I'm going to give you a tip and trick for sewing these delicate materials. I love to wear them, but sometimes I hate working with them. So a tip for a double fold hem. Instead of ironing and pinning, you can just fold this delicate material over like this as you sew. Sew to the edge so that you will be sure to lock the frayed edges so that it will not come apart. See how I'm gently pulling it? See how nicely it turns out? Take it and gently stretch it and just turn it over. And you will have a simple double fold. Now with jean material or cotton material, you can just iron it, if you like. And you don't have to pin the jean or cotton material because it's heavier. But with this beautiful flowy material, you can just fold it over like so and sew at the same time. To see, I'm not stretching it right here. I just folded it over and it's not taking. You have to stretch it a little bit like this and just gently fold it over. And you can begin sewing. As I mentioned earlier, this is a step you can skip. You have to iron it, turn it over, and iron it again to make the double fold. But then this material is so delicate, it doesn't stay like heavier materials would. So you have to pin it. And with this material, you must pin it all the way around before you begin to sew. You know how much time that will take? By the time you get finished pinning, you'll be tired. And you probably will put the project over to the side until another day.